Welcome. In front of me I have Nokia 3.4 and today we are going to make the face unlock test. We are going to check how fast it works and if it is reliable for sure. So let's make the first unlock and I'm going to check if I'm sitting in a good position. Okay, it detects my face, so right now let's start the test. Let's make like the 5 tries. Okay, as you can see, it takes a few time. I mean, it takes a lot of time to unlock with face. So definitely it's reliable, it works every time, but it takes too much time. Definitely when you use the fingerprint sensor on the back, it works much faster, right? So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.